your demo class, right?
Yeah, it's my demo session.
All right. So I would just welcome you to Clappingo. And my name is Zenith. So tell me, like, how can we help you here at Clappingo? What do you want from us?
Yeah, I mean, thank you for welcoming me here. And what I expect from you, I want you to work on my grammatical person. A lot of time while speaking, I do minor mistake. So I want you to work on that. Whenever I do mistake, just correct me after I speak.
All right. After you are done speaking.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So, like, right after the sentence is over, or do you want me to correct you at the end of it?
No, after I'm done, like
Like,
what I
at the
want to
end of the
say, if I'm,
sentence?
yeah, exactly, exactly. Not at the end of
All
session,
right.
at the end of sentence. Yeah, like that.
Yes, that is what I was like asking. Yeah, because at the end of the session is like it gets very complicated because you tend to forget
Yeah,
whatever you talked about in a
exactly.
particular.
I mean,
Okay,
yeah, even I will forget, and even you might forget.
exactly my point. All right, so before we start and go any further, would you just like to tell me a little bit about yourself?
Well, about myself, I like you know me. I'm a student right now, and I'm doing study. I'm pursuing my graduation right now, and with that, uh, whenever I have leisure time, I like to improve my communication skills. And for that, I'm talking to the people from different parts of the world, like through different like Messenger and WhatsApp and Telegram. So from those apps, I'm talking to the people from different parts of the world, and that I do in the leisure time.
All right. So WhatsApp, how are you talking to people like internationally on WhatsApp? Like, how do you know people through WhatsApp?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's a good question. I would say that. Well, I have a Google Map. Okay, so everyone just put their shop on the Google. So in the same way, like I search America and I get shop of America, I just contact them on WhatsApp and I talk to them regarding, sir, I need this, I need that, and that's how I talk to them for almost half of an hour. And that's how I do. That's how I talk to native speakers.
All right. That's great. That means you're putting in a lot of effort to improve.
Exactly. I'm also using my mind and brain.
All right. So Bacha, can you just say graduation one more time?
Well, I said that I'm doing my graduation, or with that, I also said I'm pursuing my
No, no, no.
graduation.
I get it. I get it. No, I just wanted you to say graduation once. Can you say graduation?
Graduation.
Shun.
Graduation.
Just say shun.
Sun.
Shun. Not sa, sha. Shun.
Star. Sun.
Shun.
Sun.
All right. Try working
Sun.
on this. Just type
Yeah, yeah,
graduation on Google
yeah.
and then just listen to it. All right.
Yeah, and I will speak loudly in front of mirror, then it will be clear. It will be all right.
If that is, yeah, if that is like if you are comfortable with that and if you think that helps you, then totally do that. Otherwise, I would recommend that you record yourself
Yeah, actually, my teacher told me that whenever I do
while you're
mistake,
saying that.
yeah, my teacher told me that whenever I do mistake while pronouncing any word, so she told me that I should recite same word in front of mirror in the in louder voice. So she told me that, and I have been doing this for the long time, and it's working out.
Then it's cool. If it is working for you, Bacha, then that is all. Like, that is what is important for us. All right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Now it is not. It is pronunciation. Can you say pronunciation?
Pronunciation.
Not pronoun. Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Pronunciation.
Yeah, I get it. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Yeah, all right, I get it.
All right. Just work on the
Pronunciation.
yeah. Just work on the shun sounds. All right. Like tion sounds. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have a habit of saying sun
yeah,
instead of shun. All right. You use a sha instead.
yeah,
You use a
yeah,
sa instead of a sha. All right.
yeah. And like before, I used to say, wax, wax. Is it a wax, no?
Yes, wax. Correct.
Wax, wax. So before that, I used to say wax, wax, wax. I used to say wax. So someone
Okay.
told me that it should be wax. Yeah,
So now you say wax.
yeah, wax.
All
Uh,
right. So that's great. So can we start with the session now?
exactly. We can start now.
All right. So our topic of discussion today is travel. So tell me, Basha, do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like travel. I mean, I like to travel from one place to another. Basically, people migrate from one place to another in search of job. But I like to travel for education and for the fun purpose as well.
All right. So can you tell me like one of your favorite places to like where you have traveled?
Yeah,
Places you
I
have
mean, in
traveled
my
to.
life, yeah, I mean, for the first time in my life, I traveled out of my state. I traveled to Mumbai, and there I visited a lot of tourist place. So I mean, that was really good experience for me. I visited Taj Hotel. I didn't enter inside hotel, but I just look at the how Taj Hotel looks like.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is like way too expensive. Like, come on.
yeah.
All right. So how did you find it?
Sorry. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
How did you
Yeah.
find it? Like the hotel.
Oh, how actually, like I was gone there with my, with my relatives actually. So they took me there. I mean,
Yes.
yeah. So yeah, that's all. What else I can say about this?
All right. So instead of saying that I was gone there, you can say that I went there.
So okay, ma'am. When I say I was gone to Mumbai or I went to Mumbai, like on like I was gone to Mumbai is correct or incorrect?
I was gone to Mumbai is incorrect. All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
But I went to Mumbai is the correct, like it is also grammatically correct and it is the correct sentence. I went to Mumbai because it is in the past, right?
yeah,
So you will say
yeah.
that I
Simple past
went
tense.
there. Yeah, I went there.
Yeah.
I went to Mumbai or I went with my parents, I went with my relatives to whatever place that you're talking about. Cool.
All right. I will keep this in my mind.
All right. Again, just one more thing. When you said that I will keep this in my mind, you can just say I will keep this in mind. I mean, whatever you said is correct. This
Yeah,
is not
yeah,
incorrect, whatever you said.
yeah,
All right. But if you'll
yeah,
say that I'd keep this in mind, it's just a better way to say it. Like if you
yeah,
want. Yeah. Please continue.
yeah. I
So tell me
mean,
what are the yes, yes, yes.
yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I was asking you, like, have you ever visited any hill station or any such place?
Hill station, hill station. Oh, what is that?
A hill station. Okay. Places that have hills like Dehradun, Mussoorie,
Oh, well, to be honest,
right? Yeah.
I haven't ever visited those places where where I can find hills and mountains. I haven't ever visited there.
All right. But do you think that you will enjoy such places?
Yeah, I would love to enjoy because it's an open area. Like I can enjoy the fresh air in hilly areas. So definitely, I would love to be in those places.
Places.
Yeah, in those places, right? Yeah, exactly. Places. Yeah.
So you haven't had the opportunity to go at any such place right now, but if you did get an opportunity, you would definitely go. That is what you're saying.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, after I'm done with my education, I would like to go to these places. But before that, I'm basically focusing on my study. So right now I'm not having time to go here and there. I am with my study.
Of course, it is good to focus on one thing at like a particular time. That's amazing. All right. So then tell me, what is the place that you would like to visit if given a chance? The first place you will go to when you complete your education, you have a job and everything. The first
Well,
place you'll go to.
well, it's really expensive. If I get a job, I would like to visit America. Yeah,
America. Why
exactly.
America?
Why America? Because like I have heard a lot of thing about America, like White House, Los Angeles. So that's why, it's one of my dreams that I want to bring. That I want to bring it true. I want to bring it true. Is it correct? I want to bring it true. Is it? Is it correct?
Your dream?
Yeah. Like I, I was saying that going to America is one of my dreams that I want to bring it true.
All right. No. You will
I
say
want to
that
make
going
it
to
true.
America. No, no, no. You will say that going to America is my dream.
Yeah. It's one of my
Is
dream.
my
It's one
dream.
of my
Okay, then it is one of your dreams.
yeah.
All right. Like a lot of dreams, and this is one of it. So, one of my dreams.
Yeah. I get it. I get it. I get
Right.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. And what did you say after that?
I want to make that dream true.
All right.
Yeah.
So, that is what you want to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So, because, so that is the first place you'll go to LA basically.
Not
You'll
exactly
go to
LA
America,
first.
you'll visit the White House and perhaps LA there.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Okay. So, Basha, since we only have 2 minutes left, is there something that you want to ask me?
Well, we have been talking to each other for a long time, but I forgot your name. Was it Jannat?
No, no, no. It's Zenith.
Zenat.
Zenith, right.
Alright.
Like the peak point.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
okay. I have also one question for you. What's the meaning of your name? Can you tell me that?
Okay. So, the literal meaning of my name is the peak point. Like how people say at award functions that the zenith of so and so prize goes to. So, zenith basically means peak of anything, the highest point of anything.
Oh, like the award of the best actor of the year goes to Zenat.
No, the zenith of the
Yeah.
particular
Yeah.
thing goes to. Right, right.
Yeah.
It's
I
like that.
understand that. I
Yeah.
understand
So
that. Like,
it's that only. But my mother was thinking about peak point of heaven.
yeah,
Giving it a little religious touch.
yeah.
So
Uh, Everyone does that. I mean,
yeah,
even
yeah.
my name has, when someone says Bapta, it's like a king, but it also have some other meaning according to the religious point of view.
Urdu. Right, right, right.
Yeah, Urdu.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
anything else?
Well, how much time is left?
1 minute.
Well, I would not like to waste this 1 minute, so please ask me something.
All right. So when you said about that dream, okay, you said
Yeah.
that I will make that dream. I don't remember what you said, but the correct way to
Uh,
say it is I will make that dream come true. Okay,
I
or
will make
I
that.
dream come
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
Or
yeah.
you can say that I will make that dream come true.
Well, I spoke two sentences one after one. First, I said I will make that dream true, and I also said that I will bring that dream true.
Huh. So I will bring that dream true. Not correct. I will. What was the first sentence that you said? I will make that dream come true.
Oh my
All right.
God.
You have to say come before true.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Exactly.
All right. So it was really nice talking to
I
you,
got it.
Badsha. And I would just ask you, like, are you doing something for to improve your English other than other than all the things that you are doing, like instead of other than talking to all these people, are you also like watching some shows and series and movies?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, nowadays I'm watching American movies, so that's why you might have noticed one thing that there's an impact of American accent on my English, and that's why sometimes I mispronounce it any word again. So yeah, it happens with me because of that, because I'm watching American content.
Okay, it's content.
Content.
Yes, there's a difference
All
between
right.
content and content. When you say
Yeah.
content, it means that you are
Yeah.
satisfied, all right?
Yeah.
And when you say content, content means the things that you watch, the whatever, all right?
Yeah. Yeah. I get it.
Yeah, so that is the difference. So if somebody says
Yeah.
that the person is a content writer, the person is saying it wrong. He's a
Yeah.
content writer, all right?
Yeah. So have a nice day, ma'am. Before you say have a nice day, I'm saying have a nice day. They will be the
Thank you
best
so
one.
much. Thank you so much. You have a good day too. Bye bye.
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.